Oh, you're so beautiful.
Usually when I wake up, I have to wipe my face now.
Ew.
There was one time I was drooling on my pillow, and she turns over, and her face hits my drool. She's like, oh, what is that?
It's okay.
We know so much about their private life.
Okay.
I just barfed in my mouth.
What? It's just drool.
There's a party and everyone's throwing up.
Sorry, guys. Go ahead. Sir, what's your name?
What's your name?
My name is Elvin.
Oh, you're Elvin.
Yes. And he's not a gangster, contrary to his looks. You keep turning the paper.
Can I read it?
I will rush people in his cop car for no reason.
Arrest people or rush people?
Rush people.
What do you mean rush people?
Yeah.
How do you rush people?
Tailgating.
Oh, tail. Yeah, I can see you doing that. Are you gonna plant drugs on people, like